You're not dangerous. You're predictable. You live soft, think soft, act soft. And life, it doesn't respect soft men. You want success, but you hit snooze. You want confidence, but you avoid discomfort. You want respect, but you can't even respect yourself. You scroll more than you sweat. You talk more than you execute. And deep down, you know you're wasting potential. You break promises to yourself. You say, I'll start Monday, but Monday becomes next year. You beg for motivation like a child instead of building discipline like a savage. And the worst part? You think you have time. Bro, you don't. Every hour you waste, someone else is building your dream while you scroll. Want to be dangerous? Then you need to become someone that pain can't break. Someone that doesn't need external hype because he's already locked in from the inside. That means early mornings. That means isolation. That means becoming the man your future self won't hate. Start by doing the hard sure shot first. Make your bed. Hit the gym. Read when you want to scroll. Show up when no one's watching. Most men are average because they follow feelings. Be the one that follows standards. That's what makes you dangerous. Not your looks, not your followers, but your standards. Stop trying to be liked. Start trying to be respected. Because when the storm hits, the world won't ask how you feel. It'll ask what you're made of. So build that now or stay weak forever.